All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about attach and slice, when you should use one versus the other. All right, so if we take a look at what's on the screen right here and we take a look at our layers panel right here, we can grab that. This very first one here is an attached set. You can see that it is highlighted. All right, what we're looking for here is to cut the star outside of the circle that you see here. All right, so we also have this one right here where we actually slice the image. This is what most people like to do because they can visually see a star being stamped out of the shape. And then over here we have a group. All right, so one of the first things that we always see with folks is they try to do this and they're saying that the slice is not available. All right, well this is due to slice having rules. You can't have your items in a group. So first, now we're wasting time on ungrouping, and then we have to select everything again. And now we have to make sure that we only have 2 items selected. So now we have the slice available. If we had more things in this that we were trying to slice out of this, slice would not be available to us as a feature. Okay, that's why attach is preferred. The reason why attach is preferred is these shapes. This star here isn't on the outside of the circle, and I'm going to show you an example of that real quick. But before we go, I will say this, that both slice and attach will yield the same results. Why not just do it nice and simple? Because if I go ahead and go back to this, now we have a group. Look, attach is still available to us. We just click attach and then we're done. All right, so let's go take a look at this example here of when I would use slice. We want the desired result here, all right, which is the Pac-Man looking thing, and we have a circle and a triangle, and then we also have the same circle and triangle right here with a slice. Now this example, like I said, I would use slice because I would be wasting paper if I used attach. And let me show you that here real quick. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select that triangle. I'm going to select the circle, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the attach. All right, now when I click go, we're gonna see an example here. So this is the Pac-Man thing using attach, and you can see that once we get done cutting this, we can just physically remove the triangle, and we'll have that Pac-Man looking shape right here. What this does for us is it wastes a lot of paper. You can see that this big box here is going to be a little bit bigger compared to this one right here, the one that we actually sliced. Okay, so that would be one of the main reasons I would ever use slice or think about using slice, is if I have a shape on the outside of the shape that I'm trying to work with and I'm going to be wasting paper. Otherwise, I'd be using the attach feature because it's going to yield the same results and it doesn't have those silly rules where it cannot be in a group. You cannot select more than 2 items. All right, so hopefully this video here clears some of the misconfusion up about attach versus slice. All right.